I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you do a lot of filming or photography, it's hard to find the right tripod.
And I found the one that fits my needs. This is the Kaiess 62-inch phone tripod selfie stick. I appreciate how well secure the remote button is so that I don't lose it. One of my favorite features is the push button to open and close to attach my phone. With a twist clockwise, you can detach your phone, and then twisting it counterclockwise, you can not only attach it but turn your phone. You could even turn it to vertical mode, turning it on its hinge. There are directions on the tripod leg that shows how you can fully open up the tripod, and you can put it to whatever height that you want. That silver knob on the top allows you to tighten it. So when you get it to the desired distance, you can tighten it and make sure it's not going to budge. This is great if you don't have a lot of even ground. You can control how much space the legs go out and still have that stability. It is 62 inches of length. This is perfect for selfies. It is so stable in movement, and then you can quickly switch it out to tripod mode, and with the button you can get all of the pictures and videos that you need for your filming and photography needs.
And that's my point of view.